Good morning, everyone. My name is DAR Wong, and I am a veteran market investor for the last 30 over years. Welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, we shall share with you one very important market opinion, and it could be a stock market, it could be a CFD, it could be an FX or options, or it can be just any commodity that come from any part of the world. So don't forget to log on to us on every Monday morning. Watch us, and all you need is just 10 minutes. Stay tuned, and I shall be right back. Alright, then this is the OTOP 150 episode 150, and that's for the week 24th July year 2023. And very quickly, next week we are coming to the 3rd year anniversary. Alright, and we have started this 3 years ago, exactly on the first week of August. That was in year 2020, and it has been 3 years, and we want to let everyone know, starting from August next week, this OTOP episode will be cut down to bi-weekly, alright, and it will be shared on the 2nd and the 4th Monday of every month, alright, the 2nd and the 4th, alright, so that's a bi-weekly episode. Today, we are going to share with you again on the market opinions. Don't walk away. Okay, and like us and subscribe and share with all the friends. I think maybe when we cut down to twice a month, that would be more exciting, and more followers will come because we have less exposure. In this OTOP 150, episode 150 for the week 2024 July year 2023, we'll start off with a quick rundown on last Friday. The Dow Jones, at first it was up more than 100 points in the early session, but it eked down, closing at a price of 35,227 on Friday, only with 2 points gains, and the S&P 500 was at 1 point, closing price 4536, while the Nasdaq was down 30 points, closing at 14,032. The last week there wasn't any specific news. Gold prices was trading sideways on the top side, $1,970 per ounce, closing at 1963. So this week we're expecting a sideways from 1930 to 1970 US dollars per ounce. The crude oil prices climbed a little bit. On Friday closing, the price was 76 US dollars 0.83 cents. And we're expecting market to be a little fair on the top side, a little bit firm, probably testing 78 US dollars per barrel to 80 US dollars, but that's a very strong resistance for this week. This week, to start off the OTOP 150, we shall do a small revision on last week, which we mentioned about 1772 in Hong Kong, and that's Ganfeng Lithium. However, the market dropped down on Friday, Friday unexpectedly, but testing on the support line. Closing price on Friday was $50.85 Hong Kong dollars per share. As you can see here on the day chart, we are now at a very neutral region. So our suggestion is this week, if anytime the market close, set up price, set up below 50 Hong Kong dollars, you may want to consider to exit with a small loss. But if it bounces up anytime, as long as the market stays above 50 Hong Kong dollars level, we are expecting a rebound that may come in anytime. So the recommendation of this market opinion is to hold on for a while. As you can see here, the 4 hours chart is setting on the support. This week for OTOP 150 for the week 24th July year 2023, we're expecting this week US dollar to be a little bit firm, as you can see here. Let's show you. The dollar index made a recovery last week, and closing price was above 100 benchmark. So dollar is going to be recovering a little bit, and this week we're expecting the oil prices to have very heavy resistance. Gold prices trading sideways, Well, and most likely stock prices will be also meeting profit taking. Some selling will occur in the market. Well, we are expecting the fund to drive into some food commodity, all right, food, those that we eat every day. So this episode 150, we want to share with you on this Shenzhen stock. Is a China stock called the Sanquan Food, all right. It's a food company trading in Shenzhen, all right, and the stock code is 002216, all right, in Shenzhen. For those who can access the China stock, take a look at this. Well, it may not be a big jump up, but there is some upside room, all right, where you can perhaps capture some small profit in 1 or 2 weeks time. So this 2216 stock code in Shenzhen, all right, and the company's name is Sanquan Food Company Limited in China. Closing price on last Friday was 16.06 renminbi, all right, or the Chinese yuan per share, and we are expecting the market, okay, to be a little bit bullish. As you can see here, the momentum, everything is going up. Well, top side probably we are looking at 1660, somewhere around there on the top side, or even up to 17 Chinese yuan, all right. On the wick chart itself, well, wick chart itself, it has been sitting on a EMA 200 everyday averaging line, all right, 200 days averaging line, and well, it could be a good pick in coming few weeks. So take a look at this. Well, let's run through a little bit on the background of this company. And this company has a market cap of 14 billion RMB in China, all right. Well, and the PE is 17.24, which is pretty healthy. Okay, dividend payout every year is about 2.18%, not too high, but at least they're still paying out. So everything is not too bad, I would think. And well, the company is trading steadily, all right. For the last 12 months, it was down 10%. So on a short period ahead, we are expecting a recovery in the Sanquan Food, which is Shenzhen stock 002216. All right, not forgetting again, just a reminder, starting from August, all right, August, our OTOP will be only on a bi-weekly, falling on the second Monday and the fourth Monday of every month. But the time is no change and still 9 a.m. in the morning, and we shall come back to you next week, 31st July, for OTOP 151 to be the last weekly episode before we jump into August on the bi-weekly. All right, stay tuned on the DW World Equity Time, and I shall come back to you.